Equipment used in a controlled atmosphere storage. Let us now take a look at the various equipment and other components that make up a controlled atmosphere storage facility. Gas-tight cool cells. A gas-tight cool cell is made up of thermal structural barriers like insulating wall, ceiling, floor, doors, air curtains, and gas-tight insulation panels. A controlled atmosphere cool cell is closed with a gas-tight door and a window is fitted into the door, the corridor or the roof of the cool cell. Refrigeration equipment. Temperature control systems. The main way of preserving fruits and vegetables is by refrigeration. Standard refrigeration units like evaporators or air handlers and compressors or condensers are therefore integral components of controlled atmosphere stores. Oxygen scrubbers or nitrogen generators. With a controlled atmosphere scrubber, also known as a nitrogen generator or separator, the fruit can be quickly brought under controlled atmospheric conditions once the space has been filled. Carbon dioxide scrubbers. Carbon dioxide scrubbers are used to manage the carbon dioxide levels in the cool cell. Air from the storage area is removed by the scrubber, and the carbon dioxide purified air is then fed back in. Ethylene converters or ethylene scrubbers. Fruit varieties that are sensitive to ethylene under controlled atmosphere conditions, such as kiwis, require an ethylene converter. The ethylene converter removes ethylene from the cool cells using catalytic conversion. Ethylene can thus be maintained at any required level. Control system. A control system measures and registers oxygen and carbon dioxide and operates the carbon dioxide and oxygen scrubbers. In addition, the same control system can regulate cooling, switching on, off, defrosting, and machine room regulation, carry out ethylene measurements, and operate the ethylene converter. Humidifiers. Fruit that is stored in a controlled atmosphere cell always loses moisture. This moisture loss reduces if the RH levels are kept above 90%. Cooling takes water out of the atmosphere, thus limiting the storage period and quality. A humidification system means that relative humidity can be kept up to scratch. Handling and storage components. These include forklifts, pallet lifts, conveyor, etc. These are used for loading and unloading of the produce while receiving or dispatching.